Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Zayu pendant light here. This is a farmhouse style lighting. I'm going to be doing an install here. Right on top we have the instructions. And in here we have our top portion of the light there. And then our mount for the ceiling right there. Okay, this is kind of an elegant light here. A lot of the farmhouse style thing is kind of coming back here. And here is going to be the top portion of that. So it's going to hang down just like that. It's going to look pretty sweet. Get an install done for you guys here, show you how it looks, so stay tuned. Okay, so if you want to before you install this and you know how much string you want out, and then you can just feed this up in there. It's a lot easier. And then once that is all the way up there, if you have enough room in your junction box. If not, and you know how long you want your cord to be, you can just cut this, use wire strippers, and just have your black and other white wire right there. So you can just snip it off and then have that amount in there that you needed. So it's super easy to do, not difficult, but I like that it comes with a pretty long cord. So some people have really high ceilings. You could just install that and have that extra hanging down as long as you want. So it's basically fully adjustable. Okay friends, thanks a lot. Well, here it is friends. Super easy install, and you can, like I said, you can raise this to whatever height you want. If you want up higher to put out more light on the area, put this over your dining table or in over your bar, like a couple of them, and it puts out decent light. What I kind of like is that if you're at eye level or looking at it, you can't really even see the light. It's not like blinding you. You know, some fixtures have that. That's just shining light right in your eyes. This basically just directs it right down to your table or wherever you're sitting. So from table height, it's up there. It looks kind of nice. So I would probably do this in multiples, like over a bar, say like up there, and have those coming down from the ceiling. That would look really nice. But it does put out a decent amount of light, and it looks, you know, rustic and rugged. Obviously, if you're going to leave this here, I would just push that all the way up in the ceiling. So it would just be that one string and look really elegant. So I did put an LED old time style light bulb in there too, and it puts off a nice glow right here on the table. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.